All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to copy dictionaries. So to copy a dictionary, you cannot copy a dictionary simply by typing dictionary 2 equals dictionary 1 because dictionary 2 will only be a reference to dictionary 1. And changes made in dictionary 1 will automatically also be made in dictionary 2. There are ways to make a copy. One way is to use the built-in dictionary method copy. Another way to make a copy is to use the built-in function dictionary, okay? So let's go into our notebook and take a look at that. All right, we're back inside our dictionary notebook. And so let's look at how to copy dictionaries, okay? So like I said in the PowerPoint, we can make a copy of a dictionary with the copy method, and you can also make a copy with the built-in function dictionary. So we're going to take a look at both of these right now to see how we can make a copy. All right, so first what I want to do is let's grab our dictionary here. I'm going to copy that and we'll paste it in a new block of code. And then I'm going to write out our dictionary equals our dictionary dot copy, and then we're going to use the method, and then we're going to print our dictionary. So when we print this, we'll get a copy. Okay. Now the other way to do it is you can use to make a copy is to use the built-in function dictionary, okay? And that will do the same exact thing. So we'll grab this code again, okay, which is our dictionary. We'll grab our dictionary, and then I'll do our dictionary equals dictionary, so D-I-C-T, and then round brackets, our dictionary, okay, and then print our dictionary. And it will do the same exact thing. Company Apple, model iMac, year 2020. Okay, so that's how you copy dictionaries. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.